Hello friends. Today in this video I will be telling you about how to trade in expert option. As we know that expert option is one of the most commonly used online trading platforms by many of the traders trading on different kinds of stocks available in order to get a particular amount of profit. In this video you can see a graph plotted at a particular strike rate versus the time is running on based on a particular kind of forex OTC over the counter with euro exchange rate to US dollars. Before going to start for a trading, first of all we have to check whatever stocks are available and their profit percentages. Let's check about that. We are getting an interestingly, there are a lot of stocks available in it. The first one having 86%, 86% profit with euro exchange rate to US dollars over time over the counter, followed by Bitcoin exchange rate to Indian rupee forex, and followed by a cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. Okay, so let me go for a cryptocurrency, that is the Bitcoin, having 79% profit. So we can see a different kind of graph than the previous one showing the Bitcoin. So without using an indicator, let me go for an option. Okay, at least I can use the social trading. Okay. Yeah, so now we can see what are the other traders have opted for at this particular period of time. So you can see a yellow region. Okay, yellow region, at the end we can see a yellow line. So this region depicts the end of our trade, and whatever point comes in the yellow line is the end point of that trade. Okay, so it will be changing after each and every minute. So whatever we give the option, that doesn't matter. Whatever comes at that yellow line, whatever point comes at that yellow line depicts the result where our trade is going to end. So we can see the amount which I am going to invest. I can change it. So the maximum amount I can go for withdrawal for investment is $1,000. So now I am going for only $100 investment. So here we can see two of the traders gone for a put option. So let me go for a put option for now. So let's see what will be coming at the end result. That means at the yellow line at the end. So it is going down now. We are getting positive results. So we have got the profit. So as I have previously mentioned that 79% was the profit percentage of Bitcoin. So I have deposited $100 and I have received $179. That means a $79 profit that I have received from the trade of Bitcoin. Okay. So let me go for another trade option. So I have gone for a put option. So let's see whether this will be a successful or not. So below we can see that counter is running on C30, 30, 17, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10. So in this trade also we are getting positive results. So yes, the trade again becomes a successful trade and I have received another $79 profit. So let's see, this is the way in which we are earning profits using expert option trading application. Okay, so The social trading is one of the strategies under which we can go for a trading option. But most importantly than that is what we are using another kind of indicators. We are using different kinds of indicators like RSI, alligator, Bollinger Bands. Okay, all these kinds of indicators are also some kind of strategies under which we can go for mostly successful trades. Okay, so I hope you have understood what I have said in this video. If there is any comments or clarifications you have needed regarding any of this, we can comment down. So if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel, and if you want to get more notifications regarding other videos which I am going to upload, please just click on the bell icon. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Have a good trade ahead. So thank you.